Hello mga ka-River Adventures!
I'm Ed.
I am Pam.
Welcome to our new vlog! Today, tutur namin kayo sa Glass Trios of Love.
Yes mga ka-River Adventure, you heard it right. Kaya,
Kaya, tara na! Our Trios of Love was designed not just for honeymooners, but for families and friends.
Kaya nitong mag-accommodate ng 4 to 6 packs.
We have a queen-size bed
Sofa bed,
and loft bed. Siguradong komportable ang tulog nyo.
meron din po itong sariling comfort room. At syempre, ang isa sa pinaka-highlight ng Glass Tree House ay ang mini bubble pool.
Sure kami na mag-enjoy ang buong family nyo dito.
With basic amenities tulad ng refrigerator, where you can store your food, no corkage fee tayo.
This side naman nakalagay ang ating electric kettle, coffee mug, alcohol, at pati mga remote control for TV and aircon. At mini cabinet for your belongings. Nga pala guys, we have our one-way mirror glass window panel. Sa umaga, tanaw nyo ang labas, pero hindi kayo kita sa loob, with vice versa effect sa gabi.
Meron din itong water dispenser.
At griller, but you can bring a small electric stove kung gusto nyo.
At syempre, hindi mawawala yung relaxing spot at view ng tree house. Kung saan masarap magkape, kwentuhan, at mag-sweet moments.
Hanggang sa muli mga ka-River Adventures, keep the love and keep posted sa aming mga updates.
Enjoy the day!